Does your friend often do that?
Strange. We all right?
Before moving forward, remember to record yourself in a way that only your head will move and your body stays still. Apparently this is the only way to achieve this effect. And remember that you're gonna look like that you are possessed. It's the only way. Apparently. Also, I have provided some files for you to use in your tutorial. These are not necessary but will surely going to enhance your effect. It's your choice whether you want to download or not. Okay, once the video is recorded, head over to your Filmora. Once inside your Filmora, import the recorded file and then put it into the timeline. Let's expand the timeline a bit. Okay, now click on the keyboard right arrow key 5 times to go 5 frames forward. Something like this. If you want, you can also go for 3 frames, but I suggest to go for 5 frames because it is much better. And now at this position, add the clip again. Now again, go 5 frames forward by tapping the right arrow key 5 times and then again add the clip at this position. Now we have same clip 3 times. Well, now let's remove these extra portions from the both second and the third clips. And let's mute them so you won't gonna listen to stupid stuff that are happening in my background. Okay, now if I play, then you can see that I'm making these weird faces like I've been possessed. It's weird. Anyway, double click on the top clip and here go to its compositing and lower down its opacity to about below 40%. I'm going with this much. And also decrease the opacity for the second clip too. Also below 40%. Now if I play, then you can notice these ghost like motion trail here, and actually that's what we want. Also, if you want to learn an awesome ghost trail motion effect, then do watch this tutorial of mine. Link is right here. And now if you want to, then add some color grading on the clips, or just simply export this into a video with the best settings possible. Once done, import the just exported video back into Filmora. Here it is. And now delete these 2 videos from here and then put the new video that we have just exported on top of the original video. Now go to the position where our head will start doing that weird stuff. And just before that, like 1 or 2 seconds before, split the new clip there. And then delete the first portion. Now copy the original clip and paste it again. And then put it above the second clip and then around the position where we split the second video, split the original video there too. Now take the first portion and put it at the blank portion of the second clip. Okay, let's mute the second clip too. Okay, now go to the transitions tab into the basic section and take this dissolve transition and put it between these 2 clips. Adjust the transition duration a bit if you want to. And now if you play it, then you will notice that our first clip is now fades into the second clip with the possessed effect. And that is exactly what we want. Okay, now comes the final part. Go to the effects tab and then here click on this to expand the filters tab, and then here go to the distortion and take this blur effect and put it on the second clip's second portion. Now if we play it, then you will notice that the blur effect is too much. So to lower its intensity, double click on the second video and here go to the video effects and then change the alpha to anywhere below 40 and make the phase increment anywhere between 15 to 30. Also don't change the zoom ratio here, let it remain the same. Okay, now if we play, then the blur is much more subtle and that is what we want. But now you will notice this motion effect on our hands too, and we don't want that. So to remove it, simply into the effects tab, go to the utility section and take this shape mask and put it on the second clip, second portion. Okay, now you will notice this blackish fade on the clip here. So to remove it, double click on the second video, and then here in the video effects, expand the properties of the shape mask, and here decrease the width to just about our face area, and the height too. Also adjust the y-axis and x-axis position according to our face. We just need to make this dotted line to cover our face area only. Once it is done, then you will notice that this blackish outline is still there. So to remove it, increase the feather to just about the ratio where our second clip blends with the original clip from the bottom. And now if we play it, then you can see that our possessed effect is only being applied to the face area, and the other areas are safe. Okay, now to end the effect, simply go to the position where you want the effect to end, and then split the second clip there, and then delete the second portion here. And now guys, our effect is done. You can now play around and add some other things like color grading and stuff, and you can also use the files that are provided in the link in the description box below to add the Doctor Strange magic chakra. It's purely optional. Or you can use this effect to create something else entirely. It's your choice to do whatever you want to do. The possibilities are endless. So guys, what are your thoughts on this video? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you think that this video is worthwhile, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can able to bring amazing videos just like this for you. Till then, see you later.